एंड वेलकम टू अनदर फ्रेश व्लॉग। और जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को लास्ट व्लॉग में बताया कि वी आर इन उदयपुर एंड आज मैं आप लोगों को लेके जाने वाली हूँ टू ऑल द टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस ऑफ उदयपुर। और उदयपुर में जब आते हैं तो फर्स्ट थिंग यस यू आर राइट, सिटी पैलेस। तो चले चलते हैं, हम शुरू करते हैं हमारा उदयपुर का ट्रिप विद सिटी पैलेस। और ये सिटी पैलेस इज जस्ट 900 मीटर्स फ्रॉम माई रिजॉर्ट। तो ये देखिए हम पहुंच भी गए हैं। बाप रे, एक तो क्या पागलों के जैसा भीड़ है, इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव, माय गुडनेस। 450 रुपीज फॉर एंट्री, आर दे क्रेजी? गॉड।
We have taken a buggy क्योंकि it is about 1 kilometer from the gate and each 50 rupees per ticket, which I feel is making no sense.
इतना तो मुझे लगता है चल के चले जाना चाहिए, बट एनीवे अभी ले लिया है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो ठीक है जाते हैं। और ये देखिए वी हैव एक्चुअल जो पैलेस का गेट है, हम एंटर कर गए। और अभी ये जो आपको दिख रहा है दिस बिल्डिंग, दिस इज द पोर्शन ऑफ द पैलेस जहाँ पे अभी भी द किंग एंड हिज फैमिली रहते हैं। दिस पार्ट ऑफ द पैलेस वो लोग रहते हैं, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट। और ये देखिए दिस इज लेक पिचोला, राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पैलेस ये लेक पिचोला है। और इसी के साथ आ जाता है, ये अभी भी पैलेस ही दिख रहा है। और इसी के साथ एकदम लगा हुआ है जो एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द पैलेस है, दिस इज द ताज प्रॉपर्टी, फतेह प्रकाश पैलेस। ये दिस इज ताज का प्रॉपर्टी। और दूसरा जो ताज का प्रॉपर्टी है वो इज जस्ट एकदम लेक पिचोला के सेंटर में। ये हम पहुंच गए द मेन गेट, अभी चलते हैं अंदर। बाप रे क्या पागलों के जैसा भीड़ है, ओ गॉड। एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने ना गलती किया, सुबह आते ना तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। तो अगर आप आ रहे हो कम अर्ली मॉर्निंग देन दिस इज नॉट एन इशू। ऑल्सो आई विल रिकमेंड दैट जो मेन गेट है वहाँ से आइएगा, दिस इज द बैक गेट, दैट इज द रीजन इसे बागी वागी का चक्कर है। मेन गेट से आओ तो सीधा इधर अंदर आ जाओ, प्लस गेटिंग इनसाइड वो जो टिकट के लिए लाइन होता है वो सब झंझट नहीं होता है। तो चलिए अंदर जाते हैं। एक गाइड चाहिए हम लोगों को, लेट्स सी अंदर चलते हैं। ओके तो चलिए एक गाइड मिल गया है और अभी आप लोगों को लेके चलते हैं। थोड़ा जितना गाइड बताएगा सुनेंगे और बाकी मैं दिखाऊंगी। तो चलिए लेट्स एक्सप्लोर। और इधर मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड। ओके तो यहाँ पे मैं क्विकली आपको बता दूँ दैट सिटी पैलेस वाज फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड बाय महाराणा उदय सिंह II in 1553 एंड 450 साल लगा ये पैलेस बनाने को, राइट ऑन द बैंक ऑफ लेक पिचोला। और ये पैलेस का जो सबसे बड़ी बात है, इट इज अ मिक्स ऑफ राजपूत एंड मुगल आर्किटेक्चर, सो इट इज ब्यूटिफुल। क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स दोनों ही बहुत ही ज्यादा, दोनों का सब कुछ वेरी रॉयल है। तो चलिए चलते हैं, जाते हैं, देखते हैं, आप लोगों को भी दिखाते हैं। और हाँ, यहाँ पे मैं एक बात और भी बता दूं दैट दिस पैलेस इज एक्चुअली डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज द मर्दाना महल एंड देन वी विल गो टू द ज़नाना महल। तो मर्दाना महल जैसे आप लोगों को नाम से पता ही चल रहा है दैट इट इज ऑल अबाउट द मेल डोमिनेंस ऑफ द पैलेस एंड द ज़नाना इज द विमेन। सो चलिए अभी अंदर जाते हैं और देखते हैं द म्यूजियम दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट बाय द राजपूत।
So in the olden days we have linings too. Nowadays we are using bulletproof jacket and helmet. These are the old version of bulletproof jackets. I'll show you the 16th century jeans too. They used to wear this kind of pants and they construct the pant with the help of chains, so it will be easier to move. And this body the chain are 2 sword and the spare. The total weight is 35 kg. Well, we used to worship this section as a Shastri Puja. And he always put a fake trunk on the horse to distract the elephants. These are the original ones, sir. Childhood. The arrows are duplicate, the bow is original. I am saying the arrows are duplicate because after using the arrows, we never collect the arrows again. A wooden stick is there to protect the upper part of the body, ma'am. He construct the swords with pants with the chain so it will be easy to move. And the shields or either the princess. So with the safety beauty should be there. You can see in this section we have the different kind of daggers, gadas, modified version, again patak. They designed the gun and dagger in a form of a rising sun because this dynasty belongs to Sun dynasty. All are Todedar guns from 19th century. Beautiful collection of the swords, kukris are here. This is the Karkhana, the workshop where they repair the evolution of the weapons. This is the evolution of the weapons now. How the weapons develop. From the bow and arrows, from the bamboo, iron bow, designer bow, knife, swords, daggers, gun, and this is the new gun from England. It's a portable one. And in the center you can see a beautiful gunpowder bottle. We have Swiss knife over here too, assembled in India. Again this beautiful fish is a gunpowder bottle. These are the gun swords. You can use the gun, you can use the sword. Next we have a gun. In the shield we have 4 guns are here. And sir, कौन कहता है एक मैन में 2 तलवार नहीं रह सकती? 6 नंबर पे देखिए एक ही मैन में 2 तलवार है. Having the diamonds on that one, beautiful ivory work, the most expensive material in the world, ivory. Swords are designed with the meenakari, and the yellow is 22 karat gold, and this beautiful gold work is known as Koftagiri. Cover are constructed with the silver, the blades are constructed with the iron, sir. And then they have the fork and the spoon too, constructed with the silver but designed with the ivory now. They have the beautiful ivory work on this one. But we believe that all the weapons are, every gun sword is having some mantras and good on them. You see the center gun carefully, you find out the mantras. Initially we worship Ganesha, then the Navdurgas are here. On the shield you will find out the 4 principal gods, Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu and Ganesha. And sir, if you are carrying this kind of shield on your back, you got the itching tool. We have the itcher over there too.
Oh, that's so nice. So nice.
Still you will find out this kind of guns with the NCC candidate. 4th number we have single shot. On the 5th number double barrel is there. In the center we have 4 barrels. On the 31 number there is a brown one is 6 barrel. But these are not auto rotate, these are manually rotate. You have to rotate with the hands and you can shoot. Britishers came to India, they brought the pocket pistols. 20th century got the auto rotate revolver. 21st century you have the pen pistols. Wood one, they put their own art in this one. Upper one is the kukris, the blades you can see in this one, and the center one is Kora. Grandfather of Maharana Pratap, दादू, इनकी बॉडी पे 80 बाउंड्स थे, एक आंख नहीं, एक हाथ नहीं. The gate got its name Ganesh Diodi. The glass work is done in 1930. All the glasses are from Belgium and countries and its only, sir. After worshipping Lord Ganesh, we worship Goddess Lakshmi. Same single piece marble, 400 साल पुराना मूर्ति है. These beautiful tiles are from 1932. They brought the tiles from England. England the Queen Victoria. That's why the tiles got its name Victorian tiles. You'll find out this kind of tiles. सिंह जी को यहाँ पर एडवाइस करा गया कि आपका पैलेस यहाँ कंस्ट्रक्ट करें. आपकी कैपिटल चित्तौड़ से उदयपुर लाएं ताकि आपकी आने वाली जनरेशन सर नीचे देखे थे उनको पहले यहाँ रखा गया था, अब उनको रिमूव करके वहाँ रख दिया है. So we renovated this section and these are the rooms where we used to be. Totally renovated this section. In the section we put some paintings over here. Like Maharana Pratap is having food with the travel and the buried persons. Maharana Pratap अपने लड़के. This side we have seen the Maharana Pratap ने मानसिक अटैक करा तो उसका पेंटिंग को थोड़ा सा enlarge करके बनाया गया था. describe the power of Maharana Pratap. हल्दीघाटी बैटल के दरबार अकबर का एक और लीडिंग कमांडर था जिसका नाम था बहर छोटे ब्रदर शक्ति सिंह। महाराणा प्रताप अपने चेतक हॉर्स को लेके काफ़ी इमोशनल थे, तो उसको यहाँ पर डिस्क्राइब कराया। यहाँ पर आपके लिए हल्दीघाटी की एक छोटी सी सॉइल का भी एग्जाम्पल लगा, जो यू विल फाइंड आउट सॉइल कलर क्यों इसको हल्दीघाटी बैटल के बारे में बताया गया, और आज भी हमारे यहाँ पर इससे तिलक कराया जाता है। इस पेंटिंग में महाराणा प्रताप अपने लड़के अमर सिंह जी, जो 17 साल के एक यंग बॉय है, उनको एक लेसन सिखा रहे हैं। ये लेसन आज हर एक इंडियन को पता होना चाहिए। So here you can see the beautiful fire pit of the Rishi and the idol of Rishi who advised Mana Uday Singh to construct the palace over here. Back side में विष्णु का एक खंडित प्रतिमा है, ब्लैक कलर का। इसको पूजा में नहीं रखते क्योंकि खंडित है सर, पर यहाँ पर डेली पूजा करी जाती है सर, सुबह शाम को। It seems like a bathtub, but it is not a bathtub, sir. This section is not for water, not for the fire. This section is for money. जब नीचे प्रिंस का भी राज तिलक होता है, राज तिलक के बाद इसके अंदर 1 लाख सिल्वर कॉइन्स तिलक होते थे ना। That's why this section got its name Lakhu Kund. What is special about this section? That was the summer palace for king and queen, sir, ma'am. We don't have coolers in AC in the palace, so the king created a beautiful palace in the lake, sir. I have a small question for you. Can you tell me on which floor we are right now, sir, ma'am? We are climbing from last 15 minutes, sir. On which floor we are right now? The older days WhatsApp, ma'am. Train regions according to the area wise, sir. See the sunlight and you can feel the temperature of sun too if you touch this marble, ma'am. There's a pond over here. So in this pond they used to fill the colors, ma'am, and they play the holy festival with the queen, sir. In the normal day they used to put water in this one. They put a swing on this one. King and queen used to swing in this area because we have 2 cross ventilations windows over here, ma'am. So they get the cold breeze in this section too, sir.
Now I'm going to show you a chair that was given to Maharana Fateh Singh of Mewar by King George V, क्योंकि उन्होंने डिक्लाइन किया था एक ऑफर टू बी प्रेजेंट एट अ मीटिंग। सो ये चेयर जो उनके लिए बनाया गया था वहाँ पे फॉर द मीटिंग was sent across to him and he kept it because the insignia of the Mewar family was on it.
With the help of trunk and they play the tug of war game. The elephant who touched the wall, ma'am, that elephant loses the game. Last game was recorded over here in 1951. In 1947, India got independent, but till 1951 they played this game in this area. We never harmed the Titanic, which never sinks, ma'am. The museum part is this much. Right now we are here, it means only 95% is remaining. This is Hotel Taj Fateh Prakash, Shiv Niwas Hotel, Royal Family Residential Area, Shambhu Niwas, Shiv Shambhu. This is Monsoon Palace, Sajjangarh. This is Summer Palace, ma'am. Nowadays Hotel Taj Lake Palace. This is not a Sheesh Mahal. Before we go to the Sheesh Mahal, you go to the window. This is the Queen of Princess Bharati program को देखते हैं. You can see outside, no one can see inside. To build back this section, they specially colorful glasses over here. All the colorful glasses are from Belgium, cut with the hand only. The floor is glass, wall is glass, dome is glass, and the doors are ivory doors, ma'am. The elephant tusk. The reason, in the winter season, the glass got warm, ma'am, with the help of sunlight. From the greenhouse effect, the room got warm. Second reason, there are no lights, single candles enough to light the total room, ma'am. It's a beautiful room for king and queen, sir. Maharana Bhim Singh, ma'am. The 15th generation of Maharana Uday Singh. Whatever event happened with Maharana Bhim Singh in his life, he pasted over here, ma'am. In the painting, you can see the beautiful shining, yellow shining, that is 22 karat gold. They use gold in the paintings too, and they use natural color in this painting, what we got from the Aravalli mountain. The profit of that raw color, the color never get faded. So it says that in the order is Mana Bhim Singh Ji had 16 queens, sir. They are having lunch with the queens in this area. The queens are dancing over there. They are playing Holi festival with the queens. On the Diwali festival, they burst the crackers and do the animal fight just for the fun. If the king and queens are going for the temples, man, for the visit, you can see the beautiful temple section over here. It's a Char Bhujali temple, man. 20 kilometers away from Udaipur city, there is a Eklimji temple. Downstairs, there is a Jagdish temple. In the Pichola, they are celebrating the Gangoor. See the beautiful tiles over here, ma'am. These tiles are from Holland. These are the Dutch Delft tiles. In this tiles, you can see the Mother Mary is skipping with the Yeshu machine. This tiles, ma'am. And you are looking at the first library of the Mewar region. This is the first library of Mewar region. The room got its name Vani Vilas. In the room, a great poet named Kaviraj Shamal Das, who wrote the history of Mewar region, and the books got its name Veer Vinod. You can see the 4 volumes of fan is also here. This fan is from Italy. It's a steam fan. They fill the lower part with the kerosene, burn like a lantern. In the center, they used to fill the water to create the steam. It's a steam fan from Italy. In this room is just dedicated to Colonel James Stokes. He was the first agent in Rajasthan from British side, man. The room got warm, man. In the room, you find out the best example of a manual fan is there. A lady servant pull the rope and do the breeze to the queens, man. And outside there are 2 beautiful old ivory doors. They use this door on this area and this door. Here you can see a beautiful swing. The king used to say, expand a beautiful quality tax. Now, this room was developed by Maharana Bhim Singh. That's why the room got its name Bhim Vilas. You can see beautiful traditional sitting arrangement, hookahs and pandans are here. This side you can see a beautiful old version of chess, and the next room we have the old version of Ludo. These games are known as Chaucer and Chopard. So we just renovated this section and repainted the room because the color shade and the designs are same from 1778.
बता दूं दैट महाराणा भोपाल सिंह वो 19 साल की उम्र में उनको पैरालिसिस हो गया था, तो इसके लिए दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट उस ज़माने का वेस्टर्न कमोड उनके लिए लाया गया था. एंड ऑल्सो अ लिफ्ट वॉज मेड इनसाइड द पैलेस ओनली फॉर हिम फॉर जस्ट 1 फ्लोर, ग्राउंड फ्लोर टू फर्स्ट फ्लोर आने के लिए.
Presently 1.8 kilogram gold plated. The base is copper now. So in the monsoon season, king used to worship the sun and start the first meal of the day. As the king do, same done by the common people. For the common people, they tested sun over there. The base is outside. So the common people also used to worship that section and they start their daily routine. So on the birthdays, they used to do the Tula Dan. So this is the beautiful Tula Dan. This beautiful weighing scale is also from England, ma'am. So I personally welcome you to the most beautiful part of the King's Palace. I bought this colorful glasses from Italy and cut with the hands only. So if any dance program, the beautiful glasswork is done by Maharana Sajjan Singh Ji in 18 golden kalashas. And these beautiful golden kalashas are symbol of independence. Because when Mughal ruled India, they prohibited that thing too, that you can't put a golden kalash on your palace. So these are the symbols of independence. Monsoon season, king used to sit over there. They serve the food plate in front of the king. They worship the sun through here. and they start the first meal of the day. All the glasses from Belgium and cut with the hands only. The room got its name Manak. And here you can see the beautiful fifth peacock. A single feather of a peacock, it's a glass cut with the hands only. Nowadays doctors are saying us to drink water in the copper utensils. The last official queen, the present king's grandmother, the wheelchair person, his wife. And after Mana Bhopal Singh Ji died, she had spent 18 years as a widow and she was devoted to Lord Krishna. That's why she used to make prasad in this area, ma'am. For this. Rajmata Gulab Kuwar. She had spent 18 years in this room and she was devoted to Lord Krishna. That's why the room got its name Braj Vilas. A beautiful bag for the queen. And the most important thing in the puja of Krishna is the cradle for the Lord Krishna. Meeting area for the royal ladies. The last official queen used to do the meeting in this beautiful traditional sitting arrangement. In the center, the last official queen used to sit aside the royal ladies. Fire brigade to increase the temperature in the winter season. A betel box. They serve the pan after the food used. The ladies are Rupa of Lakshmi. So in the older days, royal ladies used to celebrate ladies' function in this section. Like the Karwa Chauth, Gangor, Teej. They used to celebrate in this area only. But nowadays we commercialize this area, you can take this part. Now the Balco company has taken take over that side. On my again we are entering into the Amar Mahal, sir. Remember the Amar Mahal? Oh, Pasha. Silver Marriage Pavilion, 7th of March 2011, when the younger daughter of present king got married with the prince from Gujarat. To show his love, present king created a beautiful marriage.
सिल्वर गैलरी और ये अमर महल का जो जिनाना पार्ट है वहाँ उसी के अंदर है और ये जो गैलरी है बोला जाता है एशिया के द फर्स्ट गैलरी सोलली डेडिकेटेड टू सिल्वर। तो चलिए चलते एक राउंड ले लेते। ये पब्लिक के लिए 2013 में खुला गया था ऑन 3rd of March। सो लेट्स गो चेक आउट द गैलरी। यहाँ पे जो भी आप लोग देखेंगे सब कुछ इज मेड ऑफ सिल्वर। सो लेट्स टेक अ राउंड अराउंड द सिल्वर गैलरी। और लास्ट but not the least, some of the personal photographs and achievements of the royal family has been kept here. वो भी आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ और इसी के साथ ख़त्म होता है हमारा सिटी पैलेस का जो म्यूज़ियम टूर। बताइएगा कैसा लगा ये टूर। अच्छा लगा है तो पता है ना क्या करना है, आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करना है। येस प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इफ यू लाइक माय व्लॉग।
किंग एकलिंग नाथ है, बाकी के सारे किंग दीवान हैं, मतलब इनके अंडर में काम करने वाले।
और ये रॉयल रेस्टोरेंट में बैठ के ये रॉयल चाय के साथ ही रॉयल नज़ारा, वाह वाह वाह। तो इसी के साथ ख़त्म करते हैं हमारा सिटी पैलेस टूर। देखिए दिस लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल विद सनसेट होने के बाद और ये लाइट्स ऑन होने के बाद ये तो और ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो गए। So on that note, once again, bye bye, take care until my next vlog on Saturday 2 p.m. More about Udaipur coming right there for you.